Times of India, Hindustan Times, DNA, all national newspapers which provide the reader with loads of news and current information.
But for most of India's Aam Janta, these papers do not matter. What matters is what's written in the pages of the entertainment section.
Why?
VF Priya answering the very same question.
Hey, did you know what? Anil Kapoor has refused to acknowledge his son Puneet. Karan Johar is not celebrating his 39th birthday. Lots going on in the lives of these celebs, ain't it? But hang on, how does it matter to us? Why are we so hooked on to the mirch masala in the lives of these celebs? From international celebrities to little-known personalities, we, the Mango people, are so fond of peeping into the personal lives of the celebs. Why is it so? Are our own lives so drab and boring that we are interested in the highlights of the celebs' lives?
हम तो बात कर रहे हैं उस टैटू की जो दीपिका ने अपने एंकल में बनवाया है। दरअसल दीपिका का ये टैटू पहले टेम्परेरी था, जिसे दीपिका ने शौक में बनवाया था। लेकिन जब दीपिका का ये टैटू इमरान ने देखा तो उन्हें ये बहुत पसंद आया।
We are always so much interested in what's going on, their personal lives, all the masala and gossip. Do you think it's fair?
Obviously not. I mean, they should have their own personal lives, and we are no one to interfere in their lives. Like, what if you become a celeb or I become a celeb? I will hate it if someone actually comes with the cameras and all and interfere in my life.
Well, what I believe is like celebrities should have their own personal life, and they should be left alone. They should not be, disturbed by the media.
अब सबके अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ होती है, उसमें किसी को भी इंटरप्ट करना नहीं चाहिए, कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी हो.
I think they should be more interested in movements like Anna Hazare's instead of taking more participation towards what actors are doing, what their kids are doing, what their families are doing.
This is what celebrities aspire to be. They want to seek the limelight and attention, and that's the reason I personally believe that they really like this kind of interference. And it's more of it's a two-way thing, you know. Public wants to get the gossip inside scoop of their lives, and I think they're quite happy.
It's a never-ending cycle. The media will never stop infringing into celebs' life, and we will always keep reading about it. The goings-on of another people's life always interest us more than our own lives. But let's try to keep the snooping and peeping to a minimum. This is Priya signing off for BBN.